Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to fix access denied on AMD when trying to launch it. So first what I did, I tried to run the AMD setup or the file.exe file, but as soon as I open, this error pops up saying access denied. I cannot install anything. Now this is not normal version mismatch issue. So don't worry, the fix is very simple. What you need to do is go to your local disk C or where your AMD files are stored. And here you will see a folder called AMD. Open it. Inside you will see a lot of files folders like this, as you can see on the screen. Now what we need to do is delete this entire AMD folder, but when you try to delete it, you might get another error saying the action cannot be completed because the folder or the file is open in another program. So to fix that, just open your task manager, and here you need to find anything related to AMD or Radeon software, select them, right click on it, and add tasks. Once you close all of them, go back and try to delete the AMD folder again, and now you can see it delete successfully. After that, just run your setup file again, and this time you can see the installer starting properly, initializing installed as showing percentage and no more error. And yeah, that's it guys, that's how you fix this issue, very simple and quick. Thanks so much for watching, have a wonderful day.